Hi, my name is Nishit. Today we are going to see how is ITC GSTR4 automated in Hetubase. ITC GSTR4 is a form for registered manufacturers consisting details of input or capital goods dispatched to or received from a job worker in a financial quarter. In order to begin with, let's first log into the system. Automating ITC GSTR4 shall be done by performing 4 easy steps. Step 1. We need to add raw materials and finished goods to our databases. As you can see, I have already created 2 raw materials and 1 finished product in the database for this demo. For step 2, we need to configure RMFG formula for our products. RMFG formula stands for Raw Materials Finished Goods Formula. In this process, we will define a formula wherein we decide how much raw materials is required to manufacture a single piece of final product. Stock of raw materials will also be managed using RMFG formula. As you can see, I have performed some RMFG already for this demo. For example, for finished product T111 of black color of size S, we require FAB 111, that is fabric 111 of black color. Size is not applicable and the quantity is 1, that is 1 unit. Similarly, we also require a button 111 of color white. Again, size is not applicable, in 2 pieces. Under step 3, we will be producing the final order in required quantity using the manufacturing process. Once manufacturing process is initiated, you will get a list of raw materials that will be utilized in order to fulfill a production order using RMFG formula. System will utilize the raw material on FIFO basis automatically, that is first in first out basis. It will also look up for purchase entries of raw materials and calculate the value of raw materials utilized. As you can see, an order has been already created for this demo purpose. Under this order, I will be creating T111 product of color black of every size for 1 unit each, that is 1 unit of small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL and 3XL. In the raw material utilization tab, I will be able to see how many raw materials is required in order to fulfill this product. This is done using the RMFG formula automatically. Now all left to do is to just download data for ITC GSTR4. For that, click on reports in the main menu and go to production section. In production section, you will be finding raw material consumption report as per ITC GSTR4. This report is generated on monthly basis. You need to select the parameters that you require in order to extract the data for ITC GSTR4.